Hi guys, welcome back. It's Christine and today I am here in Curacao. How exciting! I actually came here as a surprise, so I could not tell you guys in my previous video because I came here to surprise my parents and my family, and believe me, they were surprised. I am so sad that I did not film that moment because it was priceless. They were so in shock that my dad almost fell down. Like, it was a thing. It was so funny. But I'm happy I'm here. I'm here for a month. It is my beautiful island, the country where I was born, Curacao. And for the people who don't know, definitely go on my Instagram and check out my posts, my Instagram story, because I am posting daily what I'm doing. And definitely go follow me on Instagram so you can stay in touch with everything I'm doing and like and give me some love. So guys, I am here at my brother's house again. I love staying at my brother's. We're so close and I just love him. So shout out to you, bro. And right now I am filming another haul because it is here again. We have two new collections from Stronger. I'm filming today a Stronger haul for you guys. You guys know I have been partnering with Stronger for more than a year now and I'm obsessed, and I know you guys are as well. They are the most amazing Swedish activewear brand and I'm just loving everything they're bringing out. First of all, they have the best quality. I always tell you guys this. Stronger is, for me, like the top quality when it comes to fitness wear. So if you're looking for not only like cute, gorgeous, stunning, exciting patterns, simple, sophisticated, everything you can even imagine, they will have it, believe me. So definitely go on their website, stronger dot, well, for my country it's .nl, but they have a worldwide website, so definitely go on their website, check their stuff out, and you can use my discount code Rigaud20 for 20% off, guys. And I know a lot of people tell me like their items are a bit pricey. They are a bit pricey, but first of all, you can use my code and get 20% off. It is like a good discount. And next up, it is amazing quality, so you're paying for good stuff, literally the best. So without further ado, guys, let's get started with this Stronger haul. Let's go. Okay, as I mentioned, I have two collections. The first collection that I'm gonna be showing you guys and talking about actually already came out last week, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw my beautiful picture that I took here in Curacao. Shout out to my awesome photographer here in Curacao. Definitely go check that picture out. Give it a bit of love. And yeah, I'm gonna start off with that first collection, which is called Harmony, Unity, and Bravery. I had to like take a peek right now. So it's called Harmony, Unity, Bravery, which is a beautiful name. You guys know I'm a big sucker for names and collection names and item names because Stronger does this, and they're just getting more and more points from me every single day. So their collection is, first of all, stunning. This is a complete different collection again. It is simple yet sophisticated because of the design and the patterns, and I am in love, and I think a lot of people love this as well. Not everyone is a pattern girl, so if you're not into patterns but you still do want something that's different and sophisticated, I believe that this collection is for you. I'm gonna show you guys this first set, which is called the Unity Dusky green set. I chose this color because I thought it was stunning. Like the first instant that I saw this on the website, I was like, that's my color. There is another color that's called Falcon, which is like a dusky rose, I want to say. It's beautiful. I was doubting between those two because I'm obviously a pink girl, but when I saw this color, I mean, I'm wearing like a green color as well right now. I just loved it. And they have a black variation of this set as well. And then next to those three colors, I'm gonna take a sneak peek right now. It is called the Bravery set. They have two Bravery sets in two different colors, which is again a completely different design and print. So if you want to have a bit more of print, they have that as well in this collection. It's like an army print. I don't want to say, yeah, I feel like it's an army green, army vibes. So definitely go check it out. So that's the first collection. I'm gonna start off right away with this set. So as I told you guys, I got the Unity Dusky green set. I got the leggings and the bra top. Let me I already started. Let me stop talking and show you guys the beautiful top. So this is the Unity Dusky Green Sports Bra. It's stunning, guys. First of all, I want you guys to just take a look at this color. How beautiful is this color right here? So first things first, I love the beautiful contrast of the material. You have a matte fabric combined with a more shiny fabric, and you will also see this effect on the legging. And I love the way they added the like shiny fabric in this collection, because it gives it like a more sophisticated and expensive and like, again, different kind of look, which I love. So as always, we do have a very thick elastic waistband, and if you guys look up close, you can actually see the Stronger logo that is printed all the way throughout this beautiful elastic waistband. So this beautiful top is lined, and we actually have removable padding. I'm gonna turn this inside out so I can show you guys. So right here you have this like opening right here, so you can like either leave your padding in or take it out. One thing I do want to say, I know there's always like a hate-love relationship when it comes to padding, but guys, don't worry, because when it comes to padding, Stronger is literally the best. And if we look in the back, we have these beautiful like crossing straps, and they are adjustable. They are a bit thicker, and I love that. They're super comfortable, and I just love that they are adjustable. So yeah, guys, this one is just stunning, and I got this one in an extra small. Love it. So to combine with this beautiful top, I did get the matching leggings, which is in exactly the same beautiful like dusky green color. And these leggings are called the Unity high-waisted tights. And again, I did get this one in an extra small, and they are stunning. Again, we have, just look at that. Again, we have the beautiful mix of the matte fabric with the shiny fabric, as you guys can see right here. I love the way they actually did like the mixing of the fabric, because you have like the elastic band. By the way, we have like the elastic on the top of the waistband. This is one of my favorite ways of having leggings and elastic, because the way they do this, it's not gonna like kill you. I don't know what sound that was, but okay, it's not gonna kill your waist or like make you feel uncomfortable. Because of this, it's gonna stay super comfortable on your body. We have a back pocket like always. Yes, for that. And yes, going back to the fabric, so as you guys can see, we have the shiny fabric on top right here. Then it switches out to the matte fabric, and then on the legs we have like this beautiful like crossing of shiny fabric, and then it's gonna end down here with the matte fabric again. So when you have this on, it's like contouring your legs in this most beautiful way ever, and I just love the way this looks on. And also, if we go to the back, this is gonna give you like the most gorgeous booty effect. Like, I mean, it's gonna like highlight your booty. Like, that's exactly what we want, so I love that. So all by all, this is a beautiful legging. And then if we look in the front, again, you do get the Stronger logo right here in the front. So this is the Unity Dusky Green set, and I love it. I love the fit, I love how it looks, I love the color, I love the material, I love the shininess. I just love this one. So I'm moving on to my next set, which is a new collection that is coming out today, guys. I'm bringing you the new of the newest of the new of the new. Okay, that makes no sense, but you guys got my point. It is new. I'm bringing you guys the newest. Let me just leave it at that, because sometimes I talk and I speak like the weirdest things, and yeah, that's what I have to deal with every day, literally. But okay, let's go to the next set, which is this beautiful set over here. Okay, so the next collection that is dropping today is called the Harmony collection, and it is like sort of part of the collection before this one. So this set right here is called the Harmony Greige set, and I'm saying grayish because it's basically a combination of gray and beige, which I didn't know that people use grayish as an actually like color name, but yeah, I learned something new. So it's grayish for the people who are wondering what color this is, because when I saw this I was like, what type of color is this? So let me just show you guys. So this is the Harmony sports bra in the color Greige, and I obviously got both of these items again in an extra small. So are you guys ready for this color? Because it's so unique and different that I sort of like, I'm obsessed with it. So how beautiful. I'm sorry, like This is stunning, guys. Look at this beautiful color. So this is what we call a grayish color. It's neither a beige, neither a gray. I don't know, it's a grayish color. So the first thing that I'm noticing is this beautiful Stronger logo right here in the front, and it's like done so nicely that it's not too like in your face. It is actually pretty hidden, and I love how they like combine the colors to like hit the logo, but then again you're still seeing it, so I love that detail. If we look at the design of the top, so we have like a one shoulder thing happening with these two like thin straps on the side, which is just giving it a very cute and different kind of look. I love like a one shoulder bra top because I love how it looks with like small boobs. I just love this like this type of design, and then with these added like two thin straps, it's just beautiful. First of all, I might like admit and say that this might be my all-time favorite bra sports design top, if you guys get me. So yeah, I obviously love the first one as well, but this one, like the way it is constructed, I just have something for this. I love it. So as always, we do have this thick elastic strap at the waistband, which is super comfortable. It is four-way stretch again. And then we have on the inside this beautiful breathable mesh fabric, which is obviously exactly what we want when it comes to fitness wear. And then they brought it back. My built-in padding cups, whatever you want to call them, they're here, guys. It is built in. It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm a sucker for these types of paddings because who doesn't love a built-in one? I mean, you don't have to worry about it moving. You don't have to worry about it doing anything because it's just there. So yeah, that's the inside, and as you guys can see, it does have this mesh fabric, which is making it super breathable, especially, can you guys see that? There we go. Especially because you are gonna be sweating in this. And then if we look at the back, it is very simple. Again, we see our one shoulder strap with our two thin black straps right here, and I just love the way this looks. Can we have a moment for this top? Because I mean, just look at this color next to me, like, I know, right? Okay, so this is the top, and now we're moving on to the leggings, which are called the Harmony High-Waisted Tights Dot Grayish color. So as I told you guys, this is the Harmony collection, and they are giving me lots of harmony in my life, let me tell you that. Okay, so these are the leggings, super beautiful. Again, this print is just stunning. I can't. Because of this different color, it's making it like very expensive and like chic and like cute and like sexy at the same time. I don't even know what I want to say. I just love this color because it's a dream. So I'm showing you guys the back. This is the front, and again we do have the elastic at the top of the waistband, and like I told you guys, that is my favorite way of having the elastic because it's not gonna like suck you in too tight. It's gonna just fit right and make you feel very comfortable, especially because you are gonna be bending and moving when you're working out. So other than that, it's pretty simple because it doesn't have the two stripe signature that Stronger usually has on the leggings. So I like that they keep on mixing and matching that. But when we go to the back, we do however find, if you guys can see up close, again, you can see the Stronger logo on the back of the leggings, which again is exactly the same way as the top. It is done so nicely and just very like classic. And because of the way they chose the color to like mix and match the leggings, I love how it looks. It's not in your face. It's not gonna be like too much. It is just right. I love the way they placed the logo, the Stronger logo on the back and on the top. Very cute detail. So yeah, guys, these are the leggings, and obviously we do have a back pocket as well because we love a back pocket. We love pockets in general. So guys, this is the second set, which is called the Harmony Dot Grayish set, and they have this one in a black color as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I think these two sets are coming out today. So if you love them as much as I do, definitely go on their website and check it out, and you can order either these or this one, and you can use my discount code Rigaud20 for 20% off. So guys, those were my two sets. I'm happy to show you guys again another awesome collection with Stronger because I just love them. I am obsessed. I'm not gonna like get tired of telling you guys this because they are amazing. So If you're buying any sets, please let me know. I'm getting so many messages of people actually buying and sending me pictures or tagging me in their posts. I love it. Definitely tag me. So remember guys, if you want to follow me with everything I'm doing and you want to support me, definitely go follow me on Instagram. It is Cristine Rigaud. Cristine_Rigaud. And then obviously if you're loving my videos, subscribe on my YouTube channel, hit that bell button, and you will get notified every time I load up a new video. And if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, because that definitely helps my channel and makes me feel amazing that you guys are loving my video. And other than that guys, just use my discount code, have a blast, and I hope to see you guys real soon. I am filming a lot in Curacao, so I am planning to give you guys a Curacao vlog, which I know you guys like, so definitely stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you guys all real soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!